Hey gamers! Are you looking to level up your gaming experience with the best DDR5 RAM for your rig in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 DDR5 RAM kits that will enhance your gaming performance and take your setup to the next level. So let's get started. First up, we have the Kingston Fury Renegade RGB 32GB. This RAM kit is a powerhouse, boasting a clock speed of 7,200 MHz and CL38 latencies. It's perfect for Intel CPUs and delivers exceptional performance for gaming. While it comes at a premium price, its top-notch quality and impressive speed make it worth the investment. Next on our list is the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 32GB. Not only does this RAM offer blazing speed, but it also comes with stunning RGB lighting to elevate the look of your gaming setup. With comprehensive compatibility and reliability testing, you can count on this RAM to deliver stability and performance. Plus, it has solid overclocking potential for those who like to push their hardware to the limit. Moving on, we have the XPG Lancer DDR5 32GB. This next-generation RAM from XPG comes in 2 versions, with and without RGB lighting. Whichever version you choose, you can expect stable and uncompromising performance. With support for frequencies of up to 7,200 MHz and features like Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo support for easy overclocking, the XPG Lancer DDR5 is a top contender in the DDR5 market. Now let's talk about the G-Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB 32GB. Designed specifically for DDR5-enabled AMD platforms, this RAM kit delivers high overclocked memory performance. With AMD Expo support for simple memory overclocking and impressive specs like a clock speed of 6,000 MHz, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB is a standout choice for gamers looking to optimize their AMD Ryzen setups. Last but certainly not least, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB. This high-performance RAM kit not only delivers exceptional speed at 6,000 MHz, but also comes with Corsair's IQ software for RGB synchronization. With support for XMP 3.0 and 10-zone RGB lighting, the Vengeance RGB DDR5 offers first-class performance and aesthetics for gamers of all levels. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 best DDR5 RAM kits for gaming in 2024. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your existing setup, investing in one of these RAM kits will undoubtedly enhance your gaming experience. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!